Is Samsung quietly making a trade-off with the Galaxy S25 FE, and will users be okay with it? The latest leak around the upcoming phone paints a surprising picture, especially for fans who hoped the Fan Edition series would continue, prioritizing performance and practicality. According to a reliable source, Samsung's new Galaxy S25 FE might come with a smaller battery than last year's model, going from 4,700 mAh to 4,500 mAh. That's a reduction of 200 mAh, not a huge number on paper, but still disappointing if you were expecting an upgrade. What's strange is that earlier rumors had suggested the battery would actually be larger, around 4,900 mAh. So this shift is raising eyebrows. The real twist? We've now seen a leaked real-world image of the S25 FE, and visually, it doesn't look very different from its predecessor. But when you look closer, some big changes start to show. The phone is thinner, now 7.4 millimeters instead of 8 millimeters, and noticeably lighter at 190 grams compared to the 213 grams of the S24 FE. These changes make the phone sleeker and more comfortable to hold, but they also seem to be the reason for the reduced battery size. In a world where users are demanding longer battery life to power high refresh rate screens, 5G connectivity, and all-day multitasking, shrinking, the battery feels like a strange move, especially when the Fan Edition line has traditionally been known for striking a balance between premium features and practical design. This decision seems to highlight the different directions companies like Samsung and Apple are now heading. Apple is reportedly launching the iPhone 17 Air to directly challenge devices like the S25 Edge, focusing heavily on thin design and portability. Samsung, perhaps trying to stay in the same lane, might be taking a similar approach with its upcoming models. But that brings up a valid concern: should slimness really come at the cost of battery life? While we have to acknowledge that this information is based on leaks and not official confirmation, the details are being supported by multiple sources. However, one twist in the story is that a previous leak that listed all the specifications might have included a typo, mistakenly listing 4,500 instead of 4,900 mAh. That typo could have sparked the current rumors about a battery downgrade, and if that's the case, there's still hope. Until Samsung officially unveils the device, everything is up in the air. It's also possible that Samsung is testing multiple prototypes, and the final version might offer better battery capacity than this leaked unit. At the end of the day, the Fan Edition series is popular for a reason: it offers solid features without the high price of the main Galaxy S lineup. And while slimming down the phone might be appealing for aesthetics, Samsung should think twice before cutting corners on battery life. After all, users would rather have a slightly thicker phone than one that dies before the day ends. For now, we'll wait and see whether Samsung surprises us or confirms the rumors. Either way, let us know in the comments, would a smaller battery stop you from buying the S25 FE? If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates like this.